Hello friends, yesterday we already studied about binary file handling, how to handle binary files, how to write binary data into binary file, and how to read data from the binary file. There are 2 points to be taken care while handling the binary file. Simple binary file, that is use of B in opening mode, and encoding and decoding from text to binary and binary to text. There are so many more options to handle the binary files, and we will discuss later on in our topic pickle. So using pickle, we will handle different structures, how to save the different structures and different data into binary file. So we'll discuss it later on. Today the topic is with statement. In Python, a with statement is very useful for handling files, because there are so many benefits provided by the Python using with to handle the file, and we will see it now. So come to the code. Here, see the two functions are written. Now, so you can compare. This is already studied by you, how to open simple text file using W mode, write mode, and writing the text, flushing the data, and closing the file. So this is very simple. You already know it. Now, if you want to convert the same function using with statement, just see the difference. Only 2 lines is sufficient. So what is the difference? For opening statement, you just write with open and the file name along with the mode as file. Instead of writing file equal to, we are writing here with the same function, open function, as file. And then just write the data, whatever you are passing to the function. So that's it. Means we don't need to close the function, close the file. We not need to flush the file, even though you can flush, no problem, because flushing is not bad. So if you want to ensure your writing, you can flush it. That is a good habit, not a problem. But if don't want, you can omit it also, no problem. So this is the benefit of with. With is a statement which provides you to write the data or read the data and not need to care of closing and flushing, because by default with statement is opening your file, performing all the tasks under the block, if that is called with block. This is the with block. Obviously there is only one line, that right line into with block. So this indent is showing with block. This is showing that block is being started. So this is the block, and you are writing what text is there. And if you want to open the flush also, you can make it true also. So this is the simple use of with. So the point is, using with, you not need to care of closing files. So file is being closed automatically when your block is over. So that is the benefit of with. So normally this with is being used while handling the file. The professionals are using this technique, and this is the general way that you can understand, but this is the correct and professional way. This is the writing of file. The same way, this is the reading. How to read, you already know it. Opening a file, and the stream is file, and now reading the file, storing into text, and closing the file, flushing, and the printing. Flushing is not necessary here, but okay, no problem. You are printing the text what you have taken from the file. Okay, that can be converted with the with statement. The same function we are writing with the another name, read file. That's I'm adding the underscore to change the function name. So with, the way is same, with and the open function, file name, read mode as file. As is the keyword and file is the variable stream, whatever you want. Because I'm using file here, so that's why that file is being used here. Instead of writing in file equal to open, we are writing here with open function as file. So now the file is a file stream. So thus read the data from the file and store into text and print on the screen. This is the simple way to using with statement. With for reading and this is with for writing. So just take care what is the benefit of with. In case of with, while using with, we not need to take care of flushing and closing. Even though flushing is important, you should use flush here. That is a good practice, but you not need to take care of closing. So that is a good practice to use this with statement for opening and writing, and for opening for reading, and for opening for append also. You can use append and write. There is difference. Just recall, in case of W, you are opening file into write mode. It means the previous data will be automatically destroyed, the file will be clear, the next new text will be written. But if you want to save your previous data and the new data to be appended at the end, so then you have to use here A instead of W. So just take care A for append. It means the previous data will be available in your file, and the new data what you want to write here, that will be appended at the end. So this is the W and A. So just take care of W and A. So this is the just writing the deletion. It will delete the previous data, clear the file, and then write your text. Means whatever you are writing currently, that will be stored. But if you are using A for append, means the previous data what is already saved into the file will be kept there, and the new text, new matter what you want to write will be stored at the bottom. So this is the use of with. So the final module was today that how to use with. That's a very simple, nothing else. So now check the running function. I'm just running this menu what we already discussed in the previous topic yesterday. So I'm just running function. Here I'm just writing data using option 4, right, using with. So I'm using 4 and I'm writing hello. Sorry. Hello, how are you? And it is saved. Now I want to display, so I'm using fifth option, the fifth, and it is displayed here. Hello, how are you? So this is the common way to use the file handling using with statement. So with is beneficial in the way we not need to worried about the closing of file. So after the completion of block with block, the file will automatically closed. Okay, so till now this is sufficient. So we'll discuss later next topic. Thank you. Bye for today. Thank you.